She won't paint. Bank is drawing a tree. Both of these paintings are for sale. They are 1,000 baht each. We dry them and roll them and put them in a tube for you to take back home. Not only is it a wonderful memory of your day here, but also the help you're giving us to the plight of the Asian elephant. An elephant has a brain 4 times larger than ours. Perhaps that's why they never forget. It is true, they are afraid of mice, they're afraid of spiders, they're afraid of snakes. They don't like sudden loud noises. They're very afraid of thunder. Sit down, please. People behind you cannot see.
Wahnsinn, oder?
Elephants are fully grown between the ages of 18 and 20.
Ich dachte, die schmieren da jetzt
Very
irgendwas
much
hin.
like a human.
Das wird ein richtiges Bild.
A fully grown male elephant weighs anything between 4 and 5 ton. A female between 3 and 4 ton. And a newborn presents itself at about 90 kilos. The age span of an elephant is very much the same as ours, 50, 60, 70, 80 years old. I told you they'd get better, Suda. The oldest 90 kilos when Monster was born. He weighed in at a hefty 120 kilos. In 5 meter length. And then we send it off to a factory and get it made into handbags. Many different colours, many different styles, all on sale in the Elephant Art Gallery. We're all going to do what she does to every one of her paintings. She's going to sign her name. S U D A. Suda and David, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Suda. Thank you, David. Good job. She's coming looking for bananas. If you're giving an elephant bananas, please do not give them just one banana. One banana's like you eating one peanut. Talk to myself, obviously.